the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of?
Guys, me and my dad are cleaning up the garden. Daddy, look, we already removed so much grass. Why, Daddy? Why do you like gardening so much, huh?
Gardening? Yeah, I love to do that. One thing is, it's like a stress reliever, you know. Like if our cortisol levels come down because of the stress, you know, usually. I don't feel like I'm working. Usually I enjoy so much. And we have to clean it up also, you know, because we have some plants which we need. So in between there is unnecessary things, grass and plants coming, right?
Yeah.
We have to pluck it, otherwise we'll grow tall, then everything will cover. The other reason also, me, you and Maui walking around, everyone walking around. If we have so much greenery bushes, you know, there is a chance then to, like, you know, snakes or some insects, some crawling things, you know,
Yeah,
we
like
hide inside.
one time, you know, on the top part there was a lot of stuff. Those very huge worm thingies.
There, right? Yeah.
Those things are so creepy and huge.
Yeah. So if you clean it up, even mosquitoes, flies, if you clean it up, it's much cleaner. No such things. Better, right?
Actually, I bet there will be more here. That side, see?
Yeah. Last time I cut also, we need to do that. Clean it up. Then it looks fresh and not many things also. You don't have to worry of it.
Hi, Durian. Ha, dire? Okay. Magtawag ko sa kuan. Badminton court.
Ram will just go to gym if you don't want.
Oh, you can go to gym, Daddy. I can play with them also. I'm ready, Charot.
Where are you going?
Brian won't miss his volleyball. So, don't give hope for it. Why? I will vlog. It's true, guys. Volleyball is life for our Brian. I hope there is still available court. Nakarating lang namin dito kina Mama. Not answering. Ang ulan pa naman.
She's not there in the desk.
Huh? The lady? Maybe. I'll message. Sometimes they answer more on text message than call. Dorian again. Everyday Dorian ka na, Burly Joy. Ang HB natin dyan.
Wow!
Wow.
Nasalita ang hindi HB, ha?
Wala, guys. Fully booked daw sila. Walang court na available. Next time na lang. Ha? Next time na lang, Maui. Go play what? Don't go inside, Daddy. Durian smell. The entire house. So many durian? 5.
I can feel here, I can smell here.
Relax na lang tayo. May karaoke pa dyan sa ano.
Neighbors?
They're asking if you want to eat, Daddy. It's already... No, it's only 4:46. Eat din na. They said
I'm full.
ang aga kumain ng dinner sila, Mama.
Daddy, Mommy, I'm so full because of brunch.
Yeah. Gumawa ng salad si Mama, guys. Gusto niyang tikman daw ni Ram, the very healthy version. How is it? Don't pretend.
That's good.
There's apple.
Yeah.
What else? Tomatoes.
Lettuce, tomato, cucumber.
Good?
Guys, Maui wanted to go evening walk, so we came here, walking around. He wanted to see the trucks, cars. Maui, see, we are at the overpass. Maui, where's truck? Where's truck? Huh? We always like to watch this moving traffic.
Unbox natin ito, guys, from Shopee. So, Origin portable milk warmer. Ayan, para sa ating baby Maui. So, kung gusto niyo din ng ganito, guys, kung may baby kayo, ilalagay ko yung link ng product sa ating video. Meron pa siyang ganito, oh. Panglinis, then charger. So, ito yung nasa loob ng box, guys. Yung milk or water warmer, kasi pwede din siya water lang yung i-heat up nyo dito, guys. Then ang panglinis niya manual, then charger, kasi portable ito, means kahit nag-travel kayo, dapat naka fully charged na siya. Dito nyo lang ilalagay sa likod niya bago nyo dalhin gamitin. Fully charged muna siya para hindi na kayo mahirapan. So, ang gagawin is, ito ay Milk Me Maui. Usually, ang iniinom niya is 150. So, lagyan natin ng tubig. And then, lagay natin dito sa warmer. Then dito, guys, makikita nyo yung power button niya. So, i-hold nyo lang siya na ganyan. Makikita nyo na how many degrees. So, i-adjust nyo lang according sa kung gaano nyo siya gusto kainit. And then, how many seconds. And dito naman yung timer niya. So, maghintay lang tayo na maging mainit yung tubig. Say hi to them. Hi, guys! Let's put this powder here. Count 1, 2, 3. Pwede nyo siyang ilagay dito, guys. Then, pour yung tubig. Or pwede nyo din i-mix yung milk doon sa milk warmer. Okay. Yay! Uh-oh! So, ayan. Tapos na siya, guys. Always check nyo yung temperature ng water before nyo ilagay or ibigay sa inyong baby. Little warm lang yung milk ni Maui kasi hindi siya masyadong initan. Who's the good boy? Who's the good boy? Ah, cute naman ang aming baby Maui. Alam niyo naman guys na sila ate malapit nang bumalik sa US. So, ang travel time I think is 24 hours. So, pag kailangan ni Baby Maui ng kanyang milk, at least may ano siya, warmer na pwedeng gamitin. Again, ililink ko siya dito sa video kung gusto nyong bilhin ang milk warmer na ito. And speaking of na uuwi na sila ate sa Amerika, kami na lang ang maiiwan dito sa bahay guys, and ang dami niya talagang sira. Nung nakuha namin ang ang bahay na ito, marami na talaga siyang hindi namin nagugustuhan, lalo na si Daddy Ram kasi siya yung natutokang mag-fix ng mga bagay-bagay kasi siya ang lalaki. So, hindi ko alam kung ano yung magiging plano namin, pero tingnan nyo kung gaano karami ang sira. Ito yung master bedroom na door, guys. Tingnan nyo. Kumusta naman siya. Puno na ng anay. And nababakbak na yan. So, hirap na niyang isara. Tingnan nyo naman. Kailangan naman ganyan bago masara ng maayos. Tinawagan ko na yung manager dito sa aming nirerentang bahay, and until now hindi pa rin niya finifix yan. Yung TV from the start hindi siya masyadong gumagana. Ang remote pag i-press mo hindi din gumagana. So yan. Ang sahig. Tingnan nyo naman ang sahig, guys. May mga hollow na siyang ganyan. May mga crack na tiles. Ayan, Then, ito pa. Tapos, pag maglalakad ka, pag nag-step ka, maririnig mo talaga na hollow na yung sa baba ng tiles, and anytime, pwede na siyang mag-crack. Problema naman sa aming banyo guys ay nagka-clog siya. So, yung tubig, pag toothbrush ka, it takes maybe 30 minutes para bumaba yung pinag-toothbrushan mo na tubig. So, di ba? Ang hirap. Buti sana kung ina-actionan agad, pero ilang beses na akong nagsabi doon sa manager at wala pa rin ginagawa until now. Mag-iisang buwan na ata. So, we'll see guys kung ano yung magiging decision natin. Magiging decision ni Daddy Ram. Maganda yung bahay kasi bungalow house lang siya. Tapos, simple. Hindi naman namin talaga gusto na yung perfect na bahay guys. Yung simple lang. Tapos, ito pa yung door. Ganyan diba? Ang ingay. Every time na lalabas at papasok ka. Sira na yung dyan niya. Hindi naman namin gusto yung perfect na bahay. Pero yung livable naman. Tsaka, sana nga ayusin agad. Ang best part sa bahay na ito, itong garden area. Yun talaga yung nakapag-yes sa amin that time, kahit hindi siya masyadong bago or medyo may kalumaan na yung bahay, tapos may mga sira na. So ayun lang, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung talagang totoong sitwasyon namin dito. Tapos minsan nawawalan pa kami ng tubig. Luto tayo ng tilapia guys. Ang nakakatawa, si Daddy Ram ang naglinis nito. So tingnan niyo ang magiging itsura niya. Yung ulo niya guys, tingnan niyo. Binili namin yung tilapia sa Lots for Less. Ang sabi nila, hindi daw sila naglilinis ng isda. So, si Daddy Ram yung naglinis ng isda. And hindi din siya masyadong marunong. Kaya, Pangit ng itsura ng tilapia. Yung mukha talaga sa bukso. Hi guys! How's school, my love? Come here, give me that one. Did you finish your food?
Yeah, there's still some water, but because I refilled it.
Oh. No problem. Ah, there.
Hello.
Wow, so cute.
Yeah.
He called Ryan Daddy.
Yeah.
And he's saying hi.
Change clothes.
Yeah,
We've done big business.
yeah. He wants to come out, that's why. Weather is good. Soon it's gonna rain again.
Yeah.
Meron kaming durian sa ref. And marang dito. It seems already ripe, Daddy. One. Maybe we can eat today. Paborito na ito ni Daddy Ram. Gumagawa naman si Daddy Ram ng snack para sa kanyang
Ayan.
baby boy Ryan. Pasar atu.
And tomato chip.
It's in the ref. Oh, it's there. Diba? Ito lentils. Tilapia. Ngayon pa lang ako kakain.
Hot.
Super hot. You wanna try this? I have sabaw din pala, guys. Huh?
I'm okay.
Just try. Tastes good, right? Hmm?
I don't know.
Baboy ito, baboy. Alam mo ang baboy, di ba? Tama or mali?
Mali.
Yum! Kain ulit ang Maui.
Hello guys. Hello.
Saying hi. Hi guys. I'm a little model. I did.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did the milk warmer advertisement. Come on, Mama.
I was
Saying hi, Ryan. Pinakain din siya ni Ryan ng fish. Ngayon, kain kay Daddy Ram ng lentils. Kumain na siya kanina, kain na naman siya ulit.
Ulit.
Ulit again. Yummy! Hinarangan ang Maui. Come,
Take my weapon.
these are your toys.
Maui's entertainment.
Ryan, get it.
I want to be ninja.
Look at Ryan din. Become ninja. Where did you get that one, huh?
There.
Nice weather.
It's nice today.
Where's Mama Joy, Maui? Did not reach home yet. Mama Joy busy.
Maui, they're not really looking for mom.
Enjoying with Tita and Tito. Ball. Ayan, don't know where's all the balls. Gone.
About 15 balls.
Yeah.
That's the only survivor.
Yeah.
Maui kept somewhere. Maybe he will find one day. Where's Mommy?
Where is Kuya Ryan? Where's Kuya Ryan?
Where's Tita?
Where's Tito Ram? Tito Raam.
chilling. Maui, look who's here. He's there. Tarawate, he's waiting for you. May pa-cake. Goldilocks. Hindi the red ribbon. Maui, Maui!
Look who's here!
Happy kay Shanti! Finally, Mommy is back! Ano na, palambing-lambing na yun. Model ba na siya, model?
Model
Sa warmer. Let's sleep na Ryan. I'm having headache, so let's close the vlog, okay?
Oh, I'm also very sleepy.
Actor ka talaga. Sige na, say bye-bye, guys.
Hi guys, like and subscribe, like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye! See you bukas. Peace.